In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pareto chart in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the data set you want to use for the chart. A Pareto chart is especially useful when you want to identify the most significant categories in your data and see which ones contribute the most overall. It combines bars with a cumulative percentage line, making it a great tool for prioritizing issues, spotting trends, and focusing on what matters most. Once your file is open, highlight the data set you want to create a Pareto chart for. Make sure you select the relevant data clearly, because Excel will use that selection to build the chart automatically. If your data is organized properly, this process becomes very quick and straightforward. After selecting the data, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps all of its chart tools and visualization options. From there, look for Insert Statistic Chart. Click it and then choose Pareto from the menu. As soon as you select Pareto, Excel will automatically create the chart for you. This is one of the reasons this feature is so convenient. Excel does the heavy lifting in the background, so you don't have to manually sort or calculate anything first in this workflow. What Excel automatically does is sort the categories by frequency, so the most important or most common category appears first. It also creates the bars that represent each category, making it easy to compare them visually. On top of that, Excel adds the cumulative percentage line, which helps you see how quickly the total builds as you move across the categories. This is the key part of a Pareto chart because it helps you recognize the small number of categories that account for most of the result. At this point, your Pareto chart is ready to use. You can review it to understand which categories are having the biggest impact and use that insight to guide decisions or analysis. If needed, you can always adjust the chart's formatting later, but the chart itself is already created as soon as you insert it. And that's it. That's how to make a Pareto chart in Excel. As long as your data is selected correctly, Excel makes the process fast, clean, and easy to follow.